Right. Once you got your impulse stick, right? The market will retrace. It's in every. You see it in every market. You see it in every. You'll see it in every chart. There's always a retracement after the impulse selected. Okay. So your retracement is up to that point over there. Your confluence is obviously your line going down over there, which is your trend line. So we're looking for a sell holding in this area over here, and the continuation down. Right now, your what do you call it? Expansion tool. Expansion tool, you basically, do you know how to use this? Anyone know how to use the expansion tool? Please? Okay, sorry, she's asking a question completely opposite to that, so I'll just cover her question. Okay, you wanna close up on these levels over here. You got your 0 over there, you got your 0.27, and you got your 61.8 down here, 0.61. Okay, so actually this also answers your question. The expansion tool is basically showing you where you want to get out of the market. That's all it is. So it's an opposite of what your Fibonacci retracement tool is. Right? The fibs gives you levels of when to get in. The retracement tool is a level of when to get out. But okay, let me just do it for you. See, I don't even have it here because I don't use all of those things. All I do is, like I said, support and resistance. You're looking for that support and resistance zone where you want to get up. Okay? Because the market's going to go down to the next level of support. Okay? This is jewels I'm dropping for you guys. This is literally like the simplest things. The simplest way to trade is to use the simplest method. I promise you, it's the most profitable way to make money. Okay? But let me go into that because I mean, if you really want to play around with it and confuse yourself, then I'll show you. Fibonacci expansion. Right? Do you know how to use the Fibonacci expansion? You know how to use it? Okay, then I'm not going to show you. I'm sorry. Because I thought maybe he didn't show you. Because I don't. He did. I showed you.
Explain what is it because we need to use it so you sort of say, let's say for example, the Dow is X, the cutting is in a range, X.
X being what?
Expansion.
I'm sorry, I'm going to stop you there because you're going to have to go to Devon's league over that. Because I don't want to show you one way now. Devon comes in tomorrow and says, oh, well, you have to do it this way and that way, and then you guys are all like confused. I promise you, this happens, man. I don't want to go into detail about something that you don't understand just yet. There are people that go into detail.